It's 5:30 in the morning, Alexandria, Virginia. This is Eric from Park Rovers. Let's go to Atlanta. See, that was easy. A couple hours later, here we are, Fun Spot Atlanta. It is less than 2 weeks from the closure of the park as a whole, and most importantly, that beast sitting right behind me, ArieForce 1. This is my first time here. I'm gonna walk around, I'm gonna document the whole park. I might pop in here or there with some words, but I think for the most part, I'll just sort of let the park do the talking. We're in a little Wild West area here. It's a quiet day. Let's hope the ride's not quiet.
Off sequence.
Enjoy your ride.
Oh yeah, it's like crazy talking to people. This is like crowded for this place.
I said this is probably the busiest Monday I've seen.
Yeah.
Okay, don't mind me, I've been in Georgia for an hour and I'm already covered in sweat. It's 95 degrees out here, but we're doing it, we're out here. First ride, first impressions, back row. Tried to kill me in the best way possible. It's taken off right over there. Let me just say, the fact that this exists here makes just no sense to me. I mean, that's been said 1,000 times, but I'll walk around the park a little and just get some images of everything. This feels like your local funplex where, you know, you've got some batting cages, you've got a couple go-kart tracks, and like maybe there's a flat ride or two. And then you have, I don't know, this anomaly that exists that is totally unique to any other RMC I've done in the way that it's coming down now. In the way that the first half, I actually felt like there was a lot more floater airtime than I'm used to on an RMC. Oh, here we go. So, you know, usually I don't associate RMCs with sweeping, graceful movements, right? It's always fast-paced. It's always tossing you out of your seat. And I really felt like, you know, the huge upside down stall at the beginning, this wave turn over here. You've got a couple bunny hills that just feel a little more graceful than what I'm used to. And I loved that. I'm all about that because I like when RMCs try to throw you out of your seat violently, but you know, with a ride like Twisted Timbers, I get to a point where it affects my re-rideability of it because it's trying so violently to throw me out of my seat. So what I loved about ArieForce 1 is that the first half felt more just like a pleasure ride, an airtime ride. It felt more old school, which is crazy because it's, what, 3 years old. And then it's like they save all of that pent-up energy from not tossing you out of your seat for the whole ride for the very end. And then that quad down is like the most intense ejector airtime you'll ever experience. So it's sort of the compromise, right? It's like, we'll give you some nice floater, we'll ease you in, we'll have a good time at the beginning, but then we're gonna double down at the end and really try to toss you out of your seat. Yeah, I'm gonna lap it a few times, which is a good sign, because not all RMCs, for me at least, that's a me thing, are lappable. But this one, I think I'm good for a while, so we're gonna get some more rides and try a few different rows. I was in the back row. If you're still coming in the next 2 weeks, back row, I hear it's not as bad in the front, we'll see. Brace yourself for the brake run, because it catches you like while you're still coming up over the last bunny hill, and it totally folded me over my restraint. So, word to the wise there. All right, I'm gonna go get a few more rides. Well, it depends on the target. Yeah.
cruising.
It was going so fast. The thing I went like this. Damn. Oh, that was the fastest one of the day.
That was a good one.
Oh man. I would like to begin by saying that I take back what I said about it being very floatery. I think perhaps it was the early morning and it was running slow. That thing tears through its entire course. I've gotten to ride a bunch of times. There's some bumper cars going on over there. That's nice and fun. I've ridden ArieForce, I think, 8 times now, and not a single time have I had a diminished ride, which is rare. That doesn't happen very often. It has been getting faster as the day has progressed. It has been getting more intense as the day has progressed. Every ride I've had has topped the previous one. It's a bit of an Iron Gwazi effect, I think. Yeah, I mean, guys, you have 2 weeks. If you have not been on this ride, plan a trip, get down here. As they say all over the park, have the best day ever at Fun Spot Atlanta.